Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let me help you how to activate your Wells Fargo credit card. So it says here there are a lot of methods in order to activate your card. You can also activate your card into an ATM activation, which you will just insert your new Wells Fargo credit card and just follow the prompts that will help you activate your card. Another method is go to their website, which is the wellsfargo.com/activate card, which is the one right here. So if you don't have any account, then you just need to confirm them with a few details. So press on that, then tap in your credit card number, your security code, your date of birth, and the last four digits of your SSN or ITN that was used. Then just click confirm and you will be able to use your card because you've already signed up to their website right here. And that is all. You can now freely and readily use your credit card.